Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change the quick capture camera to the front camera in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to change it. First of all, we need to access settings. Then in settings we need to open gestures options menu. And here we are looking for quick capture. Here it is. Twist your wrist twice quickly to open the camera anytime. When we open this feature here, we have here a preview. How does this function work exactly? And then in this cog option here, we can choose which camera will open. So we want our rear camera to open using this function. So we can choose the middle option. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.